Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix LinkedIn black screen or profile not showing on iPhone. Easy fix. First, check your internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to rule out network issues. Next, swipe up or double click home to remove LinkedIn and then reopen. Next, go ahead and open your app store and then search for LinkedIn and then see if there is an update button available. If there is, update your app to the latest version or delete and reinstall LinkedIn. Your profile and connections will sync automatically. Privacy tip: only log in through the official LinkedIn app to keep your account secure. Quick fix: if the blank screen persists, clear Safari cache, restart your iPhone and try again. Contact LinkedIn support if your profile still does not appear, and that's it. Subscribe